As the first key project successfully delivered under an ecosystem co-building cooperation framework, Heisen Novatel Hotel adopted the P3 T50 aerial cleaning service, successfully solving the challenge of cleaning the glass curtain wall of the hotel's iconic rotating rooftop restaurant. This greatly improved maintenance efficiency and further strengthened the hotel's modern and intelligent image. Because of the restaurant's unique UFO-shaped design, traditional cleaning methods faced major challenges in safety, efficiency, and cleaning results. With its flexible operating capability, the P3 T50 system was able to handle the complex structure and demanding cleaning tasks required by this project. Operating at an altitude of 240 meters, where wind conditions are complex and constantly changing, the P3 T50 uses flexible joints with adaptive balance and collision buffering to work in close contact with the curtain wall. This allows higher cleaning pressure while maintaining safe and stable operation. For inward tilted curtain walls of up to 45 degrees and rooftop platform areas, the P3 T50 can adjust cleaning angles over a wide range through its flexible joints, allowing the spray nozzles to closely follow the surface. This enables full coverage cleaning that traditional methods cannot achieve, effectively removing long accumulated dirt and completing the curtain wall cleaning efficiently and to a high standard. The successful delivery of this project provides a practical reference for cleaning curtain walls on super high-rise buildings and complex structures, and confirms the real-world value of flexible aerial cleaning robots in the maintenance of high-end hotels and landmark buildings.